Welcome to the HeyGen Podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in Luxembourg. Let's get started.
Oh, I've been really excited about this topic. So, when did AI actually become part of everyday life for people in Luxembourg?
Well, it's quite recent, actually. Since the launch of ChatGPT in 2022 and Google
Right.
Gemini in 2023, AI has really entered the lives of our citizens.
That's interesting. But AI isn't a new concept, is it?
No, not at all. The term artificial intelligence first appeared back in 1950, when Alan Turing presented a concept to analyze if machines could imitate human thought. And then in 1956, the Dartmouth Conference is considered the birth of modern AI research.
Wow, so it's been around for decades. But why is it gaining so much traction now?
It's because in the last couple of years, AI technology has democratized, making it accessible to everyone. The advancements in AI, especially in generative AI, are transforming various industries. It's like the internet boom all over again.
Generative AI? Could you explain what that is?
Sure. Generative AI is a type of AI that can generate new texts, data, or images using advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques.
I see.
It's like having an AI that can create content almost like a human would.
That sounds revolutionary. How is this impacting Luxembourg's economy?
Well, it's estimated that the global AI market will grow at an annual rate of 15.8% between 2024 and 2030, reaching a value of 680 billion euros. For Luxembourg,
Impressive.
if generative AI is fully integrated, our GDP could increase by 6 to 8 billion euros, or about 9%, between 2028 and 2034.
That's significant. So, AI could really boost productivity across sectors?
Exactly. This shift presents an opportunity to increase productivity in businesses and the public sector. But it's not just about economic gains. AI also has the potential to play a key role in solving major societal challenges.
Such as?
Well, areas like education, public services, health, and the labor market will be profoundly impacted and need to adapt quickly to these new technologies. For instance, AI can help personalize education or improve healthcare outcomes.
That makes sense. But, aren't there risks involved with AI adoption?
Absolutely, and that's a crucial point. We need to consider ethical concerns, data protection, privacy, and ensuring that AI doesn't perpetuate biases. Human oversight is essential to maintain control over the technology.
True, but do you think we're moving too fast without fully understanding the implications?
That's a valid concern. The rapid pace of AI development can be overwhelming, but I believe that with proper regulations and proactive measures, we can manage the risks effectively while still reaping the benefits.
Couldn't agree more. Do we have legal frameworks in place to address these issues?
Currently, the key elements are the AI Act, the General Data Protection Regulation, and ethics. These are topics being explored in depth to ensure AI evolves within a respectful and secure framework.
But developing AI must be expensive, right? How does that impact the state budget?
Well, developing AI isn't free, that's for sure. It's difficult to estimate the exact costs to the state.
Understandable.
But these investments might lead to economies of scale in the medium or long term, or even generate revenue if we can develop niches.
So, initial investments might strain the budget, but could pay off later?
Precisely. In the short term, these investments may put real pressure on the state budget, but they're necessary to achieve long-term savings and benefits.
How about education? Are we preparing our workforce for this AI-driven future?
That's a critical aspect. The state needs to invest in educating children and adolescents to use new technologies, and also encourage continuous training for employees and civil servants to meet the challenges posed by AI.
So, lifelong learning becomes more important than ever?
Exactly. Everyone, from businesses to the public sector, needs to adapt to these new technologies.
Absolutely.
It's like learning to ride a new wave. If we don't, catch it, we'll be left behind.
Speaking of risks, you mentioned biases earlier. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate or even amplify existing biases present in the data they were trained on.
I see.
This can lead to unfair outcomes. so it's crucial to address these biases systematically.
Definitely. We don't want AI to reinforce negative patterns. But, do you think Luxembourg can become a major player in AI?
I believe so. It's essential for us to seize the opportunity and find niches where Luxembourg can excel.
Yeah.
By developing a strong national AI ecosystem, we can position ourselves as a key actor in this field.
That would be fantastic. But how do we balance rapid AI adoption with ethical considerations?
It's a delicate balance. We need to implement legal frameworks and ethical guidelines that allow for innovation while protecting individual rights. Continuous dialogue among stakeholders is key to achieving this balance.
Well said. It's an exciting time, but also one that requires careful navigation.
Absolutely. The potential benefits are immense, but we must proceed thoughtfully.
Agreed.
By focusing on ethics, education, and innovation, we can harness AI for the greater good.